all the daveners. Now, Mincha today will be at 6:55. Tomorrow morning we'll be davening at 6, 6:50, and 7:50. Now for a brief Devar Torah. This week's Parsha, last week we finished Sefer Shemot, the book of Exodus, with the completion of the Mishkan, the Tabernacle. We finished building it. This week we start using it. And like any building, it depends on how you use the building, whether or not it'll be of value. You know, like this building, it's a beautiful synagogue, but if we didn't pray here, then it would be just a regular building. A number of years ago, there was a synagogue in Crete that was destroyed when Crete was conquered by the Nazis. There's a museum director of Greece who was a Jewish guy, and he wanted to rebuild it. And he wanted the blessing of the chief rabbi of Greece, who asked him point blank, are you building it as a museum, which is your museum guy, or are you building it as a synagogue? And he said, I'm going to build it as a synagogue. So he said, you have to guarantee me there'll be a minyan in there every day. So in other words, Yehuda, wait a second, you're number 10. In other words, the purpose of the building is how it's used is what makes it special. So rather than have a tabernacle, which will be just a building, and yeah, we got that, and then we can get on our merry way, God is saying, this is how I want you to use it. I want you to bring holiness to the world. And you bring holiness to the world by the way you behave, and then you do sacrifices in the way I prescribe. It's something to think about, Kaddish Rabbanim.